The easiest way to add a new device to EasyDCIM is to use the Auto-Discovering tool. It allows you to automatically discover essential information about a device, such as operating system, model of device, type of device, device status, network interfaces, power outlets, and many more. You can go to the form from many places throughout the system. For example, you can choose Devices, Auto-Discovering from the sidebar menu. Auto-Discovering is based on the SNMP protocol. Therefore, the minimal configuration requires only 3 parameters: hostname or IP address, or sitter subnet, SNMP version, SNMP public community or security name. Of course, if configuration of the SNMP protocol and the device is more advanced, you can choose a few additional options of SNMP configuration in version 3. After submitting the form, EasyDCIM will try to automatically discover the device information. If the SNMP connection is established properly, initially only the basic information about the device will be downloaded and saved. Any additional information about the device, network ports, power outlets, etc., will be automatically added to the system once EasyDCIM has finished the full discovering process, which runs in the background. Usually, it takes up to a few minutes. In the hostname or IP address or sitter subnet field, you can enter the IPv4 subnet address in sitter format. Thanks to this, the system will perform discovering of all IP addresses in this subnet. Discovering of devices in a given subnet will be divided into appropriate tasks, which can be found in the Discovery Jobs tab. Tasks are started automatically from the first address of a subnet to the last. The task status determines whether a device has been found on a given IP address using SNMP. If connection has been established, the device will be automatically added to the system. Otherwise, the system will return an error.